OK。这两个地方都停止了，都是正确的，对吧？
对。
行，那我们开始吧。Hello everyone. This is Shirley from Henan Glory Manufacture Company. Yes, nice to meet you. Welcome to our live house. Now today I will introduce our company's pumpkin oil processing line and the pumpkin oil refining line for you. If you have interest, you can send a message to me on Facebook. Also, you can leave a message to our website Henan Oil Manufacture Company. Yes, you also can search our company in Google. Yes, in Google, in Facebook. Firstly, we can see the picture. Yes, we can see the picture. This picture shows the machine is we will need in the pumpkin oil processing line. Yes, this is the whole machine. We can see. About the pumpkin oil processing line, we have different capacity depending on your pumpkin oil quantity. Such as we have 500 kilogram per hour, 1 ton per hour, 2 ton per hour, and 5 ton, 10 ton. We can see firstly. This machine is the pump notch clean machine. We can see this is a magnetic separator, but before this machine we will have a fiber separator. We have a fiber separator machine, but the machine don't show in this picture. So the first machine is the fiber separator. Yes, it's the fiber separator machine. And then the whole machine is called the pump notch and show separator machine. And the titular machine, this machine is a magnetic separator. Yes, this is the magnetic separator. This machine is the nut grading. The effect of this machine is to separate different sides of the pump nut. Yes, and this machine is the cracker. The effect of the cracker is to broke the pump nut. Yes, it to broke the pump nut. So, because the cracker is to broke the pump nut, so the nut grading. Yes, nut grading machine is to. So we will use nut grader to separate the different sides of the pump nut, so that in the cracker we can ensure that the small pump nut will not, because it is so small and couldn't be cracked, and the bigger pump nut couldn't, because it is so big and broke the pump kernel. Yes, so and broke pump kernel to refill the pump kernel oil spilled in the cracker process. Okay, for this it is the white separator column. Yes, this is white separator wind separator column, and this is the cyclone. Yes, this is a cyclone. The two machine is to use the two machine is used to separate the pump kernel and the pump shore. Yes, here is your gravity of the pump shore and the pump kernel. The pump kernel will through the conveyor to crusher and the pump shovel because he is so light and send out to the factory. Yes, it also can ensure that the cleaning of our factory. Okay, this is the conveyor to transport the palm kernel to the crusher. Yes, this machine is also called crusher. The crusher is used to break the palm kernel into 4 or 6 pieces. Yes, to break the palm kernel into 4 or 6 pieces. And then the palm kernel will enter the cooker. Yes, this is the cooker to adjust the temperature and the moisture of the palm kernel. And the last machine, yes, this is also called the conveyor. And we will enter the palm kernel oil presser machine. This is our palm kernel oil presser machine. Yes, this is the palm kernel oil presser machine. After the price process, we will enter the filter process. Yes, we will use the frame and the plate filter machine to remove the moisture and some water to remove some industries and some moisture. Yes, this is the whole machine we will use in the palm kernel oil processing line. And for this, we can see the whole factory of the palm kernel oil process. Yes, we can see this is the working factory. There are some office and the palm kernel oil storage tank and the laboratory room. When I communicate with our customer, there are some customer they need to clean their project site and they are asked for some suggestions. For that I can suggest that you can take this reference. Yes, you can take this reference if you just want a factory in your project site. So you just need to build. This. Yes, just like this. You don't need to build a complete house. Yes, you can just like this. You can see there is some unlocked. You don't need to consider build the office, the labor room, and some others. Yes, you just need to build the factory and the storage tank. Yes. For the place of the machine. Yes, for the place of the machine constructions, our company will also provide the service for you to plan your manufacture. Okay, let's see. Yes, this is the whole machine we just see in this picture. This is the filter, compressor. Yes, the first machine is the fiber separator. For this, I want to say, it depends. For palm kernel oil, it depends on your materials. Some customers their material is palm nut, and others their material is palm kernel. Yes, if your material is palm nut, this also need to care about where you get the palm kernel? Yes, some customers they also built a palm oil factory, so they can get the palm kernel from the after the palm oil pricer. But some others they will buy the palm kernel from others. So for that you need to check if there's some impurities of the palm kernel. If yes, you need this machine. If no, you don't need this machine. Fiber separator. This machine is used to remove the impurities of the palm kernel, so that we can get a cleaner. We can get the cleaner palm kernel, so that when we press the palm kernel oil will more clean. This is the cleaner palm kernel nut. Yes, it is some hopper conveyor. This machine magnetic separator. Yes, we couldn't see in this, but it has. This machine is not great deal. We can see this and this. There are some hole too. Yes, there are some hole too, but the size of the hole too is different. Yes, this hole too is small. This hole too is bigger. Yes, the hole too on this side is smaller, and on this side is bigger, so that we can determine we can separate the different size of the palm nut. And for this, it is the cracker. Yes, this machine is a cracker. This machine is a cracker. And for this conveyor to transport the palm kernel and the palm shell to enter our wind separator column and the cyclone. Yes, we can see in this window and this window, we can see we use the different gravity of the palm kernel and the palm shell. The light palm shell will enter the cyclone and then come out of the factory, and the heavy palm kernel will enter the conveyor and transport to the crusher. Yes, to the next section. But where is the window from? Yes, where is the window from? We can see this. We can see this. This is the engine. Yes, this is the engine. The engine will give a power to form a wind and transport in this machine. So this machine will have a wind and effect on the different gravity of the palm kernel and palm shell, so that we can separate. We can see this to form a window. Fan. This is fan. Cyclone. It is also called cyclone. This is separating column. We can see this picture. This machine, the whole machine is also called palm kernel palm kernel and shell separator machine. Yes, it is also called this. But if you don't want to cost too much at the first time you start the palm kernel oil project, so I also can, and you just want to get the palm kernel and sell the palm kernel to the factory. You also can, maybe some customers will consider that I just buy this machine. Yes, I just buy this machine. I think it is okay for you. Yes, I think it is also okay for you. Also, there are some customers will have questions if I can just buy the one machine of the whole machine. I also tell you it's okay. Yes, it's okay. So let me introduce. For this is the magnetic separator. Yes, if you think your material palm kernel is your palm nut is very clean. So even some customers will tell me that you want to use the manual. Yes, you want to use the manual to clean the palm nut. I think it is also okay, but it don't have a high efficiency. Yes, it don't have a high efficiency. So this machine for you is just a choice. And for this, it is not greedy. If you are sure, if you all know in Nigeria and in Marguerite, they will have more than two. Yes, they will have more than two kind of palm fruit. So their palm nut is maybe different. Yes, it's also maybe different of the size. If you are sure, the size of your palm nut is all the same. You can also don't need this machine. Yes, you can also don't need this machine. And for this machine is a cracker. Yes, whether you need the manual or you want to go to high efficiency processing line, it's the cracker machine. You also need why? Somebody will why? Because the shell of the palm kernel is very stock. Yes, it's very hard to be separated by manual. Yes, so we will use this machine. It is called a cracker. And for this is the white separation clone, and this is the cyclone. Yes, there will maybe somebody they don't think it is okay. Yes, they don't believe the effect. So if you don't believe or your baggage is limited, you don't need this machine. Yes, you can just choose the cracker to achieve the separation of the palm kernel and the palm shell. Okay, let's go on. We will use the converter. Yes, this is the crusher. Yes, crusher. The cooker. The cooker, the effect is to adjust the moisture and the temperature of the palm kernel so that we can make sure the palm kernel in the temporal, in the comfortable situation. Yes, we can get enough palm kernel oil, so that we can get enough palm kernel oil through the pressure. This is the hooper to adjust the speed of the whole production line. Yes, and you can see this is the palm kernel oil pressure machine, and this is the oil clarification tank, and we will use the pump to make the palm kernel oil into the filter, plant and film filter. Yes, to remove some impurities, and then we will storage. This is the whole process of the palm kernel or processing line. Let's see again. This is the fiber separator machine. Yes, to remove some fiber of the palm nut. And we can see in the inner of the machine there are some triangle. Yes, there are some triangle shaft. Yes, there are some triangle shaft. Yes, we use the rotate of the triangle shaft to remove the fiber of the palm nut. This is the hopper. Yes, to transport our palm. This is to transport our palm nut. This is the magnetic separator, and this is the nut gradient. Yes, the capacity of the nut gradient is is between 4 to 6 tons per hour. Yes. Yes, it's a nut gradient. And this is this, and this. This is the cracker. The capacity of the cracker is between 2 and 3 tons per hour. Yes, this and this. Then there are no motion. Yeah, there are no motion. There is a connect. Yes, there is a connect. And the efficiency of the cracker can achieve the 95%. It can achieve between 95% to 99%. For this is the window column and the cyclone. Yes, the separation can achieve 99%. Yes, the efficiency of the separator can achieve the 99%. This is the crusher. Yes, the crusher is to broken the palm kernel. This is the cooker to adjust the temperature and the moisture. And for this, we will enter the palm kernel oil presser. Yes. The palm kernel oil. This is our palm kernel oil presser. It is a kind of the school oil presser. round row oil price. Yes, malware resistant, easy to operate. It is very easy to operate and more convenient way replacing parts because the screw of the pumpkin oil will be adjusted before we transport to you by ship, and this machine is use electric, so you just have enough or stable electric. This machine can be used. Yes, and our school price adopts a short pricing process. If the material stays too long, if the pump cannot stay too long in the chamber, it will lead to past blockage and poor pricing effect. Yes, short bipolar processing can avoid this situation. The main material of the screw is number 55 steel forge. Other big parts are cast iron and ductile iron. Yes, using forge and the dipping process, the material workshop is heated to a certain temperature and then dips into the cloth. Rapid cooling. The purpose is to increase the hardness, so our compressor have a longer life. If you use the pumpkin oil correctly, yes, at least you can use the pumpkin oil more than 6 months, and the outlet, the outlet of the pumpkin oil, you can use more than 10 years. Okay, this is the pumpkin oil processing. If there are someone interested in the pumpkin oil processing, you can send a message to our website. I'll send a message to the Facebook. And then let's learn about the refining line. Yes, maybe some customers need the cooking oil, but I want to use the pumpkin after the processing line we get the pumpkin oil. It's called the crude pumpkin oil. Yes, it is called the crude pumpkin oil. The crude pumpkin oil is also used to be cooking. Yes, it's also used to be cooking. But if you get a high quantity of the pumpkin oil, you can add another processing line. It is called refining processing line. Firstly, let's see. Yes, this is the refining line. Can you see clearly? Yes, this is the whole processing line. We can see this machine. Yes, this machine is in our factory, but we will don't send this machine to our customer because this machine have more than years. Yes, have more than years history. This machine is a simple machine. Yes, to use for below 2-ton per day capacity refining line. Yes, the material of the whole machine is stainless steel. Yes, it's stainless steel. We can see there mainly have 4 tanks, the two refining pouch and one decarding tank and one deoxidation tank. As we can see. And for this, yes, it's called bench refining production line for between 1 ton to 10 ton per day. Yes, why? The difference of this machine to the before machine is that this refining line he used the conduct oil, and the former refining line he used the heating. Yes, he is using the electric heating. We can see it is the milling machine. This is the conduct oil. Yes, the conduct. This is the whole factory of the refining. The order of the factory we will use the cool tower. Yes, cold water tower and the water jet pump. Yes, the cold water and the water jet pump. The cool water tower is used to provide. Is used to make the refining line to come down. Yes, to come down, to decrease the temperature of the pump kernel of the refining of the refined oil. Yes, to decrease the temperature of the refined oil because the refining oil after the refining the temperature is very high. Yes, temperature is very high. The milling machine is this one is to refining pot. Yes, refining pot, and this is carding tank, and this is the deoxidation tank, and this is the steam generator, and this is the conduct oil. Yes, the high tank and the low tank. This is the conduct oil. The conduct oil is needed the customer to buy. Yes, we will use a pump to transport the conduct oil to the high tank. Yes, to the high tank. And then we will use the conveyor to this machine. This machine is called the gas and the liquid separator. Yes, because the conduct oil we buy. Yes, the conduct oil we bought, they will have some moisture and gas in this. So we will use this machine to separate this. For this, the conduct oil can achieve achieve a better effect. After this, the conduct oil will enter in the conduct oil cooker. And then the conduct oil will through the pipes enter the we can see the conduct oil will through the pipes to go through the whole processing, the whole refining line, enter the two refining pots, the decantation tank and the decantation tank, and then after this, and then the conduct oil will back. Yes, will back. Yes, it is also called the gas liquid separator. Yes, to remove some moisture and gas. We can see, yes, this is yes, we can see the conduct oil begins through this, and then through the conduct oil cooker to increase the temperature of the conduct oil. Yes, and then through the whole refining process, and then back to there. This is the whole process. This is the whole refining processing line. Yes, this is the fair. Yes, to increase the temperature of the conduct oil. This is the crude oil. The crude oil will enter through the pipes and enter the. Yes, this is the two refining tank. For the two refining tank, we will use this tank to the gaming and this tank to the acetation. Yes, this using we will suggest our customer to choose this, but there are some customers they think we can use this tank to the gaming, this tank to the acetation, and use this tank to water. It's okay. Yes, it's okay. But others will think we use the whole tank. Yes, we just use this tank to gaming and the acetation, and use this tank to water. It is also okay. Yes, the three using for you is all okay. Just you like. Just depend you like. This is to the conduct oil. Yes, we will some pipes in the tank. Yes, the conduct oil is in the tank. And firstly, the conduct oil will increase by the conduct oil cooker up to the 60 degree. And for this, in this tank, there is two boxes. Yes, there is two boxes. This box we will use the water, and this box we will use some 羟化钠. Yes, NaOH. As for this, we will use some water because the impurities of the crude oil he have a special is that he is familiar with the water, so we will put some water in this, and for that they will form a after that we will winter about 8 hours. Yes, about 8 hours for that the soap will enter. Yes, we can see. And then we will increase the temperature up to the 80 degree. After this, yes, after the first time to gamma deacetation, we also use hot water. Yes, we also use hot water to the two tanks. Why? Because firstly, the hot water couldn't compared with the oil. Yes, and then the hot water can dissolve the soup. So we can remove the last soup using the hot water. And for this, is the decarsation and the deoxidation. Yes, for the decarsation, we will use the white clay. Yes, we will use a white clay because the white clay can absorb the color of the crude oil. Yes, but there's someone will ask how much we will use the acid and the white clay. Yes, how much will you use this? Because firstly, we will need the customers to provide the index of the crude oil and the refined oil. We will depend the index to tell you how much you need, how many you need to use this to achieve a better effect. We will, yes, this is the filter, the deep filter, and you can see there is some windows because the oil will enter the filter by the pump. For the filter, we can get some moistures and left the white clay on the filter. We can through the window to make sure the color if achieved we need, so that we can see this is a recycle process. Yes, this is a recycle process. If you think the color is okay, you can enter the deoxidation process. If you think the color is not okay for you, you can resect. Yes, you can resect by the decarsation, and then enter the filter, and then enter the decarsation until you think the color is okay through the window. Yes, through the window. Through the window you can see the color change. We can see the white color will absorb in the filter, and then we will use the compressor. Firstly, we will use the compressor to remove the moisture of the filter. Yes, this is the compressor. To remove the moisture, and then we will use the sorry, the video couldn't show the we can see there are some white clay left in the filter. Firstly, we will use the compressor. Yes, we will use the compressor to remove the moisture of the filter, so that the white clay is dry. And then we will give the power of the filter. The white dry will lift the filter. And for this, further we can see we have a steam generator. Yes, and the last process is deoxidation. The deoxidation we use the deoxidation tank, and the material is stainless steel, because the temperature will up to the 220, and because the temperature we will improve between the 220 and the 260 degree. Yes, so the material we will use the stainless steel. In the high temperature situation, the oxidation will become the gas to leave. This is the whole process of the refining line. Let's see some machine. We can see this is the first I introduced for people the small refining line. There is a video about how to use the small refining line. But today we don't have enough time. If you are really interested for this, you can send the message to our website. We will have the excellent people to tell you. Let's see some our factories video. Yes, our factories is in Zhengzhou, Henan. Is in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province, China. Yes, and we have our only factory in Jiaozuo Province, Henan, in Jiaozuo, Henan Province, China. Yes, if you want to come to our factory, you can come to China. You can come to Zhengzhou, and we will drive you to we will drive a car to our factory. It just need about 30 minutes to drive. We can see this is the factory of our company. The whole factory is all belong to our factory. This is the inner of the factory. We can see, yes, this is the palm oil. Yes, this is palm oil pressure. This is the different capacity of the palm oil. This is the biggest 15 ton per hour palm oil pressure machine, and this is the pumpkin oil pressure. This. We can see this. This is the cracker. Yes, this is the cracker. And this is the 500 per hour palm oil pressure. We have two kinds of the diesel type and the electric. And this is the different capacity of the palm oil. This is the different capacity of palm oil from 1 ton per hour and 5 ton per hour and 15 and 10 ton per hour and 15 ton per hour. And about the one time payover, we have the carbon steel and the stainless steel. Yes. We can see this is the pump kernel oil pressure. For this is the pump kernel oil pressure machine, and this is the pressure for the sunflower, soybean, peanut, and this all seed, and yes, little machine. This is for pump kernel oil. After this, we also have office in Nigeria. Yes, we also have our office in Nigeria. We also have our office in Nigeria. If you want to buy our company's machine from the Nigeria, you also can send a message to me, and we will have a special sales manager to connect with me. After we confirmed your truly need, and we achieve agree a price or need your truly need. We will give you the address of our Nigeria, and you can come to our Nigeria's office to communicate with our partner. Yes. You can see this is our office in Nigeria, and we also have machines in Nigeria. This is the future. This is some engine, pump kernel oil pressure, and this thing, and this. Yes, there is a box. We couldn't. This is the pump oil pressure. We can see. Yeah, this is the pump kernel oil pressure machine. Let's see it. Yes, this is the simple refining. This is the simple refining machine. If you are interested in the refining machine, you must. I suggest that you can. I suggest that you need to provide the index. Yes, the index of the crude oil. Yes, of the crude oil and the refined oil. Yes, the index of the crude oil and the refined oil. And the most important of the index is the moisture and the acid. Yes, the moisture and the acid, because the acid will influence. Yes, the acid will influence how much the NaOH you need. Yes. And about the what clay, and about the how much we need to use the what clay. Normally we will use the what clay. The wind is about between 1% to 3% of the all wind. Yes, there is a percent of the wind. Yes, of the wind. For example, if you want to process 100 per day, so the white clay you need is about 1 ton or 3 ton. Yes, between 1 ton to 3 ton. But the clearly you need about the white clay is depend the color you need. Yes, it depends the color you need. If you want to get the most clear, yes, the most clear of the crude oil, so you may need to use the about the 3 ton. Yes, the 3 ton white clay. For this, it is the pumpkin oil processing line. Yes, the pumpkin oil processing line. If you think you don't want to cost too much at the first time of this processing line, maybe there will have 2 choices for you. The first is if your material is palm nut, so if your material is palm nut, you can use a cracker. Yes, you can use a cracker to separate the palm nut and the palm shell. To separate the pumpkin and the palm shell and the palm shell, so that you can get the pumpkin oil to sell the pumpkin to the factory. Yes. This is the first choice. I suggest you can think about this. And the second is that if your material is pumpkin oil, yes, if your material is pumpkin oil, you can just buy the pumpkin oil pressure. Yes, you can just buy the pumpkin oil pressure to press the pumpkin oil and get the pumpkin oil. So you can sell the pumpkin oil on your market. Yes, on your market. You can let the buyers to take their bottle or bag. So you can sell the pumpkin oil in this means. And the third, if you think your budget, if you think your budget is okay, and your material has pumpkin oil, has the palm nut, so you can choose the cracker and the kernel oil presser. Yes, you can choose the 2 machines, the cracker and the kernel oil presser. For this, you can sell the kernel oil. You can also sell the pumpkin oil. Yes. Let's see again. About the factory how to build, you can see. I think if you want to start a big project, yes, a big project such as the 2 ton per hour, yes, the 2 ton per hour, because the machine we will suggest our customers to operate 24 hours. For this, you can see if you just start the 2 ton per hour and working for 24 hours, so you need to process 50 ton per day. So such as the bigger project, we will suggest our customers to build the factory in the convenient transport. Yes, convenient traffic. So we can transport the kernel oil more easily. Yes, we also can transport the material more easily. Okay, today is over. If you're interested in our products, you can send the message to our website or leave the message on the Facebook. Yes, we will have excellent sales manager to contact with you and provide the best service for your demand, depending on your need. Okay, goodbye.